Hey guys, I'm in a tree and I can actually see a thunderstorm coming ahead of us back there. And it's pretty cool. A while ago I could see 2 parts of rain coming down. Rain curtains and all that. Finally show y'all, I saw a couple bolts of lightning coming from cloud to ground. But I just love that. There's some towers over there, but I can see, this is how many towers so far I can see flashing. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 strobe lights that are flashing on the tower. That's how many towers there are out. But I saw a bolt of lightning coming out of the sky. And I hear thunder too. Hear that? But it's a distance away. If it gets closer, I'd get down out of this tree. But as you can tell, everything's okay right this second, right this moment. But over us, it's blue sky. But out this direction, we got thunderstorm way out there. That's like miles away, a couple of miles away. Now, as y'all can see, and it's windy over here. Birds flying, everything. Now guys, I might not want to waste y'all's time watching this video, but as y'all have seen y'all comment before on other videos about that, man, we wasted 44 minutes or 4 minutes of my life. I saw that on the comment before. If I was on the ground right now, y'all can't even see this, but all y'all would hear is thunder. But this is what's happening out in the distance. Oh, got a lightning bolt out that way. Lightning. But it's probably back in the rain clouds. Y'all can see those rain curtains. At first I saw 2 cells of rain coming down out of the sky in each direction. Two rain. Oh, it was a bolt of lightning out that way come down to the ground. Wow. It's just incredible. Right out that way I just saw a big stick bolt come out of the sky down there. I'm not sure if y'all have seen that, but I did. But it was out in the distance. Y'all guys, y'all remember to subscribe, leave a like, and comment. I'll try and keep posting videos because I haven't been doing any since a month. Hey guys, you know, have a great day. Watch out for these storms.